How to sign up on Afrinvestor to gain access to buy your shares and build your portfolio. The first thing you need to do is to go to Play Store. So let's go to our Play Store. You come to the search bar here and type Afrinvestor. Afrinvestor 2.0. So here we are. Once you type it out, it will bring it for you. Your own will be showing installed. My own is showing installed because I already have it on my phone. So since you are just downloading and installing your own, once you come here, it will show you to install it. So you click on install and gain access to have it on your phone. Then you click on open. So once you click on open, it will load up. And don't forget that if you have to do this, your data should be on. So you click on reload app and it will open up this interface for you where you click on get started. Get started, read through all of this that you have here and click on get started till it takes you to this particular interface where you need to sign up on Afrinvestor. Now let me break it down. You can see it says get started with Afrinvestor. Sign up to discover investment opportunity and grow your wealth. By signing up, you agree to our terms of service, email, indemnity, privacy policy, and NDPR policy. So for you to know more about all of this, just click on those words. If the grammars are too high or kind of complex, click on those words that are showing in red color and you gain access to read all of this, so for you to know if you want to proceed or not. So once you've gone through all of that, take this check mark, let it be ticked like this, then you input your email, your phone number, and make sure anything you are inputting here are the kind of details that are valid, that are presently with you, that is correct. Then you input your date of birth, you input your password. If you look down here, it says your password must be a unique number, not anyhow number. It should be a unique number. It should have at least 8 characters. It should be a password that starts with capital letter, which is the uppercase. It should have a number and it should have a symbol. So let me input the details just for the purpose of this class so that we can see what I'm saying. Okay, let's say just for this class, I'm not creating a new account. I already have different accounts on this. So let's see. Come here to control your date. Due to our time, I don't want us to take too long. So once you get to your actual month, you pick your date. So let's assume the person who owns this new account was born in the year 2000, August 15th. Once you impute it, you can see it's going to show like this. You've set the date for that. Then you come here to your password. Your password needs to be unique. Unique in the sense that you must make sure you impute the first letter to be capital letter. So let me use this as example. Let me use lecture as example. Lecture at 40, or I can say lecture at 4. You can see all of those highlighted words that is down under the box showed green. Green means it's correct. Green means you are on the right track. But let's assume I use only lecture. You can see it's only one that is correct here, meaning only the capital letter. So if I put naira and I put 5, you can see it. Two more of this came up. So if I put dollar and a number, you can see all of this came up. So this is how your password should be. So for the purpose of this class, I will use at 5. So with this now, you click on sign up and it will load up for you. Then an OTP will be sent to the number that you use and the email that you drop. So all you need to do is to go straight to your email. You can see I already have the email here. One-time password. You come here and impute it. 505164. Once you impute, you click on confirm. It will demand you to input 4-digit PIN. This 4-digit PIN is that unique PIN number that you will always use whenever you want to buy any kind of shares on this Afrinvestor 2.0. I hope you understand. So input that 4-digit number that you know you will not forget in the first 4 square box. Then that same number you also input it in the second 4 square box. Let's assume you input 1111 here. It is that same 1111 that you input here. Then you click on create pin. Voila, you are all set. You can see now you have successfully signed up on Afrinvestor. It says what? You are all set. Welcome to your new Afrinvestor experience. Then you click on explore Afrinvestor. You can see here, this is our dashboard on Afrinvestor 2.0. Like this, you've successfully signed up. You are now a member of Afrinvestor. You are now a user in the Afrinvestor world. Before we proceed, if you've watched to this extent and you are yet to like this video, kindly like this video so as to tell YouTube that we are doing something wonderful right here on this channel. Next is how you can select the account that you want to work on. So for that, watch this video on your screen right now to gain access to know the actual account that you need to set up for yourself as a beginner. I will see you in the next video.